Why do 90% of beginners avoid the stock market? Because it seems confusing. But not anymore. Let's clear the fog. First, set clear investment goals. What are you saving for? Retirement? A house? Knowing this helps you plan. Next, determine how much you can afford to invest. Create a budget and make investing a regular part of it. Then figure out your risk tolerance. How much risk can you handle? And what's your style? Active or passive? Active means picking stocks, while passive is more like investing in index funds. Choose an investment account. Tax-advantaged accounts like 401k or IRA are great for saving on taxes, or go for a brokerage account for flexibility. Fund your stock account. Transfer money from your bank and consider dollar cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount regularly. Now pick your stocks. Research, diversify, and maybe even consider a robo-advisor to help you out. Lastly, learn, monitor, and review. Stay informed, track your investments, and adjust as needed. Remember, start early, don't panic sell, and seek professional advice if needed.